In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Bluebeam. If you work with long plan sets, detailed specifications, or lengthy reports, being able to quickly find a word or phrase can save you a lot of time and reduce frustration. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable process so you can pinpoint exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure the file you want to search is the active tab on your screen so the commands apply to the right document. Once you can see the page, you're ready to start searching. Next, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to open the search bar. This is the fastest way to bring up the search field. You'll see a small search box appear, typically near the top of the interface. It's there to accept the text you want to find, and it will stay visible while you work through your results. Now, type the word or phrase you want to find. Be precise with spelling, and remember that searching a phrase looks for that exact sequence of words in the document. If you're not sure of the exact wording, try a distinctive term that's likely to be unique in your file. The more specific your text, the easier it will be to jump to the right spot. After typing your search, press Enter or click Next to jump to the first occurrence. Bluebeam will move directly to the page and highlight the match so it stands out. This lets you immediately see the text in context, which is helpful when you're verifying a note, a dimension call out, or a requirement buried in a paragraph. From here, use the up and down arrows in the search bar to navigate through the results. Click the down arrow to move forward to the next match, and the up arrow to go back to a previous one if you need to revisit it. Take a moment at each result to read the surrounding lines so you can confirm you've found the right instance. If you notice you're getting too many irrelevant hits, refine the text in the search box with a more specific phrase. If nothing appears, double check for typos or extra spaces. That's all you need. Open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu, press Ctrl plus F to bring up the search bar, type what you're looking for, press Enter or Next to jump to the first match, and use the arrows to move through the rest. With these steps, you'll navigate even complex documents quickly and confidently.